Hey, it's David Baer here, and the guy here on the screen, his name is Steve Olsher. If you don't know him, he's the publisher of Podcast Magazine. He founded a website which became something called liquor.com, which he sold for a lot of money to Barry Diller. And he is one of these guys who has continuously predicted the next big thing when it comes to business, particularly online business. And when he was sort of in the early days of podcasting, one of these guys who was out there preaching, you got to get a podcast, it's the next big thing. Well, that was maybe back then there were a couple 100,000 podcasts. Today there's over 4 million podcasts. And one of the things that he is really, really hot on right now, and he's only been really active for the last year or so, the year that we have been in pandemic mode, where we've been looking for ways to connect with one another, is this whole new world of social audio. If you don't know what social audio is, it's probably best known by this app, this currently iPhone-only app called Clubhouse. And over the past several days, I've been watching Steve as he's been teaching how Clubhouse is the ideal place to create a micro influence in whatever business you're in, whether you're a consultant, a coach, an author, a speaker, a local business owner, some expert in a particular field, and you would like to get more exposure and more business out of your expertise. How powerful Clubhouse is. He's currently launching a new program called Audio Domination, where he is teaching the step-by-step process that he has undertaken to amass tens of thousands of followers and really grown his audience and his influence on the Clubhouse platform, and how to take these steps to replicate what he's done and get the things that you're looking for in your business by using this platform. You can find out more about this offer, which is only open for a few days before they start all the training. Down below, simply click the button and you'll get access to the full page, the sales page, where you'll get all the details. Now, one other thing, as he's been promoting this and as he's been doing all this training this past week, he's had two really great lead magnet materials. One is a PDF called Crushing It with Clubhouse. The other one is a directory of podcast hosts. If you're looking to be a guest on a podcast and you want to reach out to some hosts, he has a very comprehensive directory. You can get access to both of those down below this video as well. So go check out the sales page for the program if you're thinking about leveraging what he's calling podcasting 2.0, the idea of Clubhouse and other social audio channels. There's ones that are competitors to Clubhouse, although Clubhouse is kind of the big one. Facebook is going strong into this area as well, investing heavily in audio-only experiences too. So you know that when Mark Zuckerberg says, yeah, you know, that's a thing that I want to spend some time and energy and attention and money on, you know that there's something there. So go check it out. I think if you're looking for an efficient, effective way to grow your following, grow your business, that is not the same old run ads on Facebook, do lots of outreach on LinkedIn, but find something that is really going to help you connect with people who you have the ability to influence and to help, and who want what you've got without having to be salesy about any of it. This is a program that you should definitely look into. So go ahead and click that link and check out the sales page. And as I said, his two giveaways I've included links to down below as well. Hey, I'm David Baer for Baer on Marketing, and thanks for checking out this video about Steve Olsher and his Audio Domination program.